handrails. You don't have to really do any work. You just got to learn how to snap 1, 2, and 3. All right, what we're doing today is we're gonna rebuild all these handrails, which were done pretty crappily to begin with. See, there's a 2x4 that goes in the middle, and then the hand railing connects to that. So I got to get the shingles. I got to rebuild all this in, put the new post caps on. Take a look at the finished product, folks. Now, this came out nice. Had to fill in all of these shingles along the edge that were broken out. All new handrails, AZEK 2x6 cap, sanded, primed, and painted all these caps again, and then all the way down the stairs. This is what we're using right here. One coat of the cover stain primer, then I sanded it, and then after that another Bare Ultra stain blocking paint and primer, exterior semi-gloss. Go like this, take your fingers, put 2 in the middle, and then 2 out here like this, and then you're gonna squeeze together with your other hand, pick these up. All right, folks, we're installing the 2x6 cap. That is looking nice. perfect. Now that's a perfect fit. Okay, got some more repairs to do. See, the entire corners are taken out. When they did the demo, they just removed all the shingles. Okay, we're overlapping the shingles on this side. Okay, I want to make sure it's perfectly flush on the front and on the bottom. Take a look at the finished product, folks. Now this came out nice. Okay guys, well, we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, click like, and we'll see you guys on the next video. Shh.